This my Peruvian red-tailed boa. Like, he was in the cloudy white, but his eyes cleared up now. So give it another like day and a half or two or 3 days, and he can probably shed out. So right now his humidity in his tank is around 55. So I'm gonna spray it down a little bit, bump it up a little, change his water dish out and everything like that. And that's how I got the, the layout. This tank got this log is high right there, and you can just move around. I had another little hide in him, but I took it out, but he ain't shed right now. So when he can shed, I'm gonna take him out, and then y'all can see him. Boa constrictor, my BCI hit for cow albino. I just changed this bedding and this terrarium and everything like that. So I'm about to do an upgrade soon. Like, he pretty much outgrown this tank and everything. So I just changed the bed and I got some coconut husk. I ordered this from BHB. Y'all might know Brian. I ordered it from his store off BHB Reptile. So this my boa constrictor right here. Alright, I'm gonna probably do a little feeding too today. So there you go. You see him moving like towards front of the tank and everything. So I just sprayed the coconut husk. This the fine fabric one. Last time I had a not so fine one. It was a little thicker. So I think I like this one a little bit more better. Cause when you spray it, it holds the humidity a whole lot better. So what y'all currently using for y'all reptile bedding? I like the coconut husk because it holds humidity and everything. You spray it down every 2 to 3 days or so, or when you see the humidity going down and shed, you definitely want to keep it sprayed and everything. So I got my my Peruvian red-tailed boa, just a regular boa constrictor, BCI. See, BCI boas, they have like morphs, and the BCC boas, they have morphs too, but it's more so with the region, whatever. Like they got the Guyana, the Peruvian, the damn, what's another name? What's the other snake? Can't think of the other one, but it's more than one. My mind is not quite working right now, but they got more than one region of true red-tailed boas. But this is a BCI boa constrictor. So like right now, you might get a little drink of water or so. He's just chilling though. So I'm gonna do a little feed. I'm gonna clean my other snake tank out, take her out, introduce y'all to her. Now I gotta like work on like taking her out and everything. Like sometimes I get kind of busy with these big snakes though. You want to make sure you be more hands-on with them and everything, and before they can like they can be more warmed up to you and everything like that. They know your touch, your smell, and everything like that. So, hey, Buttercup. I don't know if y'all can see her. And she got some a little tear right there. We'll clean this out. Clean all this out, change the bed and everything, spray it out as well. But she's just chilling right now. I know she probably a little hungry. Just beautiful snake, beautiful snake, beautiful snake. I named her Buttercup. You can go with Buttercup or Toffee though, cause like she got kind of like that caramel like look on her. Like you can't really see her right offhand, but I'll show you when I take her out. I got the light on now, so I don't know if y'all can like see her color or not. But she kind of like a caramel mocha like color. She's about a good 6 years old, 5, 6 years old. Yeah, but I'm do a little feeding as well. Just a cleaning, just be a cleaning and feeding video. So I'm changing the coconut husk now and everything. So I'm gonna put this top back on and keep y'all posted. Yeah, so I changed my girl Buttercup bed, and she back on the coconut huts and everything. I'm gonna do a little feeding video today as well and everything like that. She got the good strong tongue flicks and everything. Just changed everything out the bed and cleaned the water dish out as well. And I put the hide back in there, had a box in there. But I figured that hide might be big enough for she can fit in. Or I might have to make me one, make a hide or order one. But like, last hide I had made out of cardboard box and everything. So she got a little stuck shade around her face. I'm trying to get that off as well when I feed her. So hopefully it may come off, but I don't know if y'all can see her color all that good. Probably can't, but it's kind of like a toffee-like color. And her morph is, I know it got something to do with a jungle or something. Let me gotta find the paper is in here somewhere. Oh, quick little feeding. Put this up in here. Get his attention. Y'all see how quick he grabbed this jump. He said though. This is my coal albino. About to snatch this jump in a minute. Try not to jump. I know this is my first feeding video I've done in a while. Got this boy from New England Reptile. Should get ready to snatch this jump in a minute though. New England Reptiles, where I got my snake from. See, it was an aggressive snatch. He just snatched it though from me. So now I'm about to feed my girl Buttercup. I changed the bed and everything like that, so you got a good snatch too, grabbed it by the head. So all right, so I'm about to feed my girl Buttercup now. So that's my girl Buttercup. I'm about to feed her. You know, y'all can see her head. She's right there. That was a good snatch. Hope y'all got that. Like, she's normally a slow eater, so she is she a jungle possible anorexic. Coal albino. Yeah, coal albino, jungle possible anorexic. So I ain't gonna do too much a long video, but show y'all a quick little feed. And so it don't take me a little while to get it down and everything. So thanks for checking my video out. Man, y'all like, comment, subscribe. So y'all spread the word. So get these videos back pumping and everything. So y'all have a good weekend. Everything. So peace out, y'all.